Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be reviewing HubSpot CRM. Customer relationship management tools are essential for businesses of all sizes to streamline their interactions with their customers, manage leads, and automate various processes. HubSpot CRM is a popular choice, offering a range of features suitable for different business needs. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into what makes HubSpot CRM stand out, its pros and cons, and how it compares to other CRM tools on the market today. Now, before we get started, if you want to get started with HubSpot today, be sure to check out the link down in the description to get started for free. This link is an affiliate link, so if you do end up using this link, it does help support the channel so that we can continue making free content just like this. So if you do end up using that link, we thank you so much in advance. Just click that link down in the description and that'll bring you to this page here. You can go ahead and browse through the different products here on HubSpot. And when you're ready to get started, just click this Get Started Free button. Getting started with HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is designed with ease of use in mind. Setting up the platform is straightforward, even for those who are not so tech savvy. Once you create an account, you can start by adding team members and importing contacts. This process is facilitated by a wizard-like interface that guides you through each step, making it user-friendly and very efficient. Adding team members involves sending them all an invite via email, which prompts them to set up their accounts with a multi-factor authentication process. Importing contacts can be done from various sources, although it's primarily limited to CSV and Excel files. This might require some adjustments if you use other formats like Google Sheets, but it's still a relatively easy process. Now, one notable feature during the setup is the option to attach your email, voice IP system, or social media accounts to your HubSpot user account. And this integration ensures that all your communications are tracked and managed within the CRM, providing a seamless user experience. Now let's take a look at some of the key features of HubSpot CRM. User interface and usability. HubSpot CRM has a clean, minimalistic user interface that is easy to navigate. The main dashboard provides access to all major functions, including contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and more. The interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to quickly find the information that they need and perform actions without confusion. This ease of use makes it an ideal choice for businesses that need to get their team up and running quickly with minimal training. Contact and deal management. Managing contacts and deals is crucial to any CRM, and HubSpot excels in this area. Each contact record can include detailed information, communication history, and related records like deals and tickets. The deal management feature uses a Kanban style board that allows you to move deals through different stages with ease. This visual representation of the sales pipeline helps teams stay organized and focused, ensuring that no deal falls through the cracks. Email marketing and automation. HubSpot's email marketing capabilities are robust, even in the free version. Users can create and send emails, set up automated sequences, and track engagement. The platform offers a variety of templates, making it easy to create professional-looking emails without needing design skills. For more advanced needs, the paid versions offer additional features like smart send times, customized reporting, and advanced email automation tools that can help streamline your marketing efforts. Integration and marketplace. One of HubSpot's strengths is its extensive integration capabilities. The HubSpot marketplace offers over 1,400 integrations with popular business tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, Shopify, and more. This allows businesses to extend the functionality of HubSpot CRM and ensure that it fits seamlessly into their existing tech stack. So whether you're using project management tools, communication apps, or e-commerce platforms, HubSpot's integrations help create a cohesive workflow. Customer support and resources. HubSpot is known for its excellent customer support, though this is primarily available to paid users. Free users have access to a comprehensive online knowledge base and community forums. For those needing more personalized support, HubSpot offers premium onboarding services, consulting, and interactive training sessions. These resources are invaluable for businesses that want to get the most out of their CRM investment. Sales and deal management. HubSpot's sales tools are designed to help teams manage manage their pipeline and close deals more efficiently. The deal management feature is particularly powerful, allowing users to track the progress of each deal through customizable stages. You can also set up automated workflows to ensure that follow-up tasks are assigned and completed on time. This level of automation can significantly improve the efficiency of your sales process, freeing up your team to focus on building relationships and closing deals. Marketing Hub integration. The Marketing Hub within HubSpot CRM offers a suite of tools to help businesses attract, engage, and delight their customers. From creating and managing email campaigns to setting up landing pages and tracking SEO performance, the Marketing Hub is designed to support comprehensive inbound marketing strategies. The ability to manage all these activities from within the CRM ensures that marketing and sales efforts are aligned, leading to more effective campaigns and better customer experiences. Service Hub integration. HubSpot's Service Hub is another powerful component of the CRM platform. It includes tools for managing customer support tickets, creating a knowledge base, and providing live chat support. By integrating these services with the CRM, businesses can ensure that customer inquiries are handled promptly and efficiently. This seamless integration helps improve customer satisfaction and retention, as well as interactions are tracked and managed all in one place. Reporting and analytics. HubSpot offers robust reporting and analytics tools to help businesses track their performance and make data-driven decisions. The platform includes a variety of pre-built reports, as well as the ability to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs. These reports can cover anything from sales performance, pipeline metrics, to marketing campaign effectiveness and customer satisfaction scores. With these insights, businesses can identify areas for improvement and optimize their strategies accordingly. Mobile accessibility. HubSpot CRM also offers a mobile app, allowing users to access and manage their CRM data on the go. This is particularly useful for sales teams who need to update records, track deals, and communicate with customers while they're away from their desks. The mobile app ensures that important information is always at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Now, moving into the pros and cons of HubSpot CRM. Starting off with the pros. Comprehensive free plan. HubSpot offers one of the most generous free plans among CRM tools, allowing unlimited users and up to 1 million contacts. This makes it accessible for startups and small businesses that might not have the budget for a premium CRM solution. Ease of use. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible for businesses without extensive technical expertise. The clean and organized interface helps users quickly find the features they need and perform their tasks efficiently. Robust email marketing. HubSpot's email marketing tools are integrated into the CRM, providing a seamless way to manage campaigns and track results. This integration ensures that marketing efforts are closely aligned with sales activities. Extensive integrations. The HubSpot marketplace offers a wide range of integrations, ensuring the CRM can work with other essential business tools. This flexibility helps businesses create a unified tech stack that supports their unique workflows. Scalability. HubSpot's modular approach allows businesses to start with the free plan and gradually upgrade to more advanced features as needed. This scalability ensures that the CRM can grow with your business, providing additional functionality as your needs evolve. Now, moving into the cons. Cost of premium plans. While the free plan is very comprehensive, premium plans can get expensive quickly, especially for larger teams or those needing advanced features. The cost can be a barrier for some businesses, particularly those with tight budgets, but that being said, there is a lot to offer on the free plans. Learning curve for advanced features. Some users might find the extensive feature set a bit overwhelming, particularly when using advanced tools like automation workflows. Now, while the platform is generally user-friendly, there is still a learning curve associated with mastering all of HubSpot's capabilities. Limited customization in free plan. Certain customization options and advanced reporting features are only available in higher tier plans. This limitation might be a drawback for businesses that require a high degree of customization in their CRM solution, but are opting for the free plan. Now, comparison with other CRMs. When compared to other popular CRMs like Zoho CRM, Salesforce, and Monday.com, HubSpot stands out for its ease of use, comprehensive free plan, and extensive integrations. Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM offers more customization and advanced automation features, but can be more complex to set up. It's a good choice for businesses that need highly customizable workflows and have the resources to manage a more complex system. However, Zoho's user interface is not as modern or intuitive as HubSpot's, which can be a drawback for some users. Salesforce. Salesforce is known for its robust features and scalability, but comes with a steeper learning curve and a higher cost. It's an excellent choice for large enterprises that need a highly customizable and powerful CRM solution. However, the complexity and cost can be prohibitive for smaller businesses or those with limited technical expertise. Monday.com. Monday.com excels in project management integration, but may lack some of the CRM-specific features found in HubSpot. It's a great option for businesses that need to manage both projects and customer relationships in one platform. However, for businesses that require more advanced CRM functionalities, HubSpot might be the better choice. User experience and customer feedback. HubSpot CRM has garnered positive feedback from its users for its ease of use, comprehensive feature set, and excellent customer support. Many users really appreciate the platform's intuitive interface and the ability to access a wide range of tools within a single system. Users have also praised HubSpot's email marketing and automation capabilities, noting that these features help streamline their marketing efforts, as well as improve the overall efficiency. The integration with other business tools is another highlight, as it allows businesses to create a cohesive workflow and avoid data silos. However, some users have pointed out that the cost of premium plans can be a barrier, especially for small businesses or startups who are just getting started. Additionally, the learning curve associated with some of the more advanced features has been a concern for a few users. Now, despite these drawbacks, the overall consensus is that HubSpot CRM offers excellent value, particularly for businesses looking to scale their operations. Industry use cases. HubSpot CRM is versatile and can be used across various industries. Here are a few examples of how different types of businesses can benefit from using HubSpot CRM. First up is retail. Retail businesses can use HubSpot CRM to manage customer interactions, track sales, and automate marketing campaigns. The integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify helps streamline operations as well as improve customer experiences. 2. Real estate. Real estate agents can use HubSpot CRM to manage property listings, track client interactions, and automate follow-up emails. The ability to integrate with other real estate tools ensures that all relevant data is accessible in one place. 3. Marketing agencies. Marketing agencies can leverage HubSpot's email marketing, automation, and reporting tools to manage client campaigns more effectively. The CRM helps agencies keep track of client interactions, manage projects, and generate detailed reports to showcase their results. 4. Healthcare. Healthcare providers can use HubSpot CRM to manage patient interactions, track appointments, and automate reminders. The integration with other healthcare tools ensures that patient data is secured and accessible when needed. 5. Education. Educational institutions can use HubSpot CRM to manage student inquiries, track enrollment processes, and automate communication with prospective students. The platform's marketing tools help institutions attract and engage students more effectively. Final verdict. HubSpot CRM is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a user-friendly, scalable, and feature-rich CRM platform. Its generous free plan makes it accessible for startups and small businesses, while its paid plans offer advanced features for growing companies. While the premium plans can be a bit pricey, the overall value and functionality provided by HubSpot make it a worthwhile investment for any business. So, whether you're just getting started with a CRM or looking to upgrade your current system, HubSpot CRM is definitely worth considering. Its blend of usability, integration capabilities, and comprehensive features make it a top contender in the CRM market. With HubSpot, businesses can streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service processes, leading to better customer relationships and improved business outcomes. outcomes. So there you have it. That wraps up our HubSpot CRM review. HubSpot CRM offers a comprehensive and versatile solution for managing customer relationships. Its ease of use, robust feature set, and extensive integrations make it a top choice for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, HubSpot CRM provides the tools you need to manage your sales, marketing, and customer service efforts effectively. If you want to get started with HubSpot CRM today, be sure to check out the link down in the description below. I hope this video was valuable to you, and if you did enjoy it, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own businesses. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.